Hey guys, we are on the iOS 11 brand new which have been launched a couple of weeks ago, and we are on the home screen of iOS 11.
Now we are going to see and access the control center by dragging the screen from bottom to top. Yeah, here you go. We have the control center where it's very good looking and pretty to use, which is very user friendly, and where the previous version we had only the 50% screen occupying control center. Now we are having the end-to-end control center, which is very good looking and ready to use and very user friendly with enormous settings. That's very cool.
Yeah, now we are going to access the settings in the control center by stress dabbing on the first block. Yeah, here you go with all the access added two options of settings, and where all the respective settings had their own descriptive color, like you go on tapping on Wi-Fi indicated with blue, Bluetooth, of course it's maybe blue, and so on. And we have another two settings like airdrop, personal hotspot, and of course mobile data, which have missed. And now I'm going to adopt airdrop. Yeah, where I have all other three settings inside. I'm choosing everyone. Yeah, it's soon coordinating its supportive settings where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'm turning it off by clicking receiving off. Yeah, it's very cool. And by tapping out of the box, we can get back. Yeah, now we are going to access some music section by long pressing on the music section. Yeah, you can see some stuff of the album name which is scrolling over there, and the artist information which is scrolling up beneath the album name. And here you go, you're watching a status bar. I'm dragging it now, and beneath of the status bar we have three settings like previous, play, pause, and next. And beneath these three task tools we have the audio controls to increase and decrease the volume. And now we are playing some music. Yeah, now we are going to deal with brightness by long pressing on the sun icon. Yeah, now we have shifted to the full screen mode where we can see two icons like sun and the night shift mode, which is beneath the brightness cylinder. And by holding in the cylinder we can adjust the brightness according to the eye vision. We can adjust the brightness according to the eye vision, and we can see the increasing and decreasing of brightness accordingly. And we can see some animation changes on the screen. Yeah, now we are moving to volume controls by long pressing on the volume icon. Yeah, we have entered the full screen mode, and as the same work we have done on the brightness cylinder, we can drag from bottom to top, where we can see an interactive of volume icon is changing according to the command. That's very impressive. Yes, now we are checking with torch by enabling it by clicking on the torch icon. Yes, now the torch is on, and I'm switching it off by tapping on the icon. And this torch
has some more settings hidden. We can go through that settings by long pressing on the icon. Yes, now we have entered the full screen mode where we can see some more tiles which indicates us the lightning levels of the torch. As the more tiles we select, the lightning level of the torch increases. As the less number of tiles we select, the lighting more decreases. That's very cool. This is a very good feature. It obviously helps to save the battery. Now we are dealing with customization of icons in the control center. Go to home, go to settings, and by scrolling it up we can see the control center option. Go to control center option and we can see customized controls. Go to customize controls. Yeah, we have some icons which are indicated with red and some with green, and these red indicated icons are already in our control center, and the green indicated icons are available to add to our control center. And now I'm going to add low power mode to our control center by clicking on green. Yes, it's added, and now I can hold and drag and arrange the order accordingly in the control center. Yeah, of course it's added, and now I'm going to check the control center. Yeah, low power mode is added, and I'm trying to enable it. Yeah, it's working. That's very cool. And now I'm going to remove it from control center by clicking on red. It's removed.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.